Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm just going to do a quick video on deleting all your contacts in HubSpot. Obviously be careful, but I'm going to do a video in a minute on how to import from an Excel spreadsheet. And I've done it a few times, but I want to just delete everything that's there so it's all starting from new. I tagged it to my Gmail, and there's a lot of personal contacts within my, this is my sister actually, within my test account as well. So I wanted to get rid of that because I did a video on how to do that. So you're going to go to contacts, tick the box at the top. It's going to say 25 selected, depending on how many here you've got selected. But also it's going to say here, all 25 on this page, or click here to select all 1638 contacts. Right, so I've now selected all 1638, and I'm going to permanently delete. Are you sure? Yes. Number of contacts delete 1638. Yes, I want to delete them all, and they've gone. Right, something might take a while to do it. You may want to do that with your companies as well. Presume it's the same. Highlight all 1,000 companies. So again, tick the box. Yours might say 50 if you go down here, you're down 50 down here. All 1,000 companies, permanent delete. Type in the permanent to make sure, and then yes, I want to delete all companies. So I just want to do a quick video because I'm now going to do some videos now to import contacts into HubSpot. Hope that helps.